Welcome to this special opportunity to live, work, and play on this nearly 7-acre equestrian farm. Private 3-rail white fencing frames this magnificent setting. Enjoy a beautiful Northwest traditional style home, a huge barn and shop, and oversized 3-car garage, while taking in panoramic views of Mount Hood and the Cascades, plus breathtaking sunrises. Huge, oversized windows create beautiful natural light in every room. Enjoy the open concept floor plan, where the great room flows into the inviting country kitchen. Multiple spaces for entertaining provide tranquil views. The main floor office could be redesigned as a second guest suite. On the upper level, the huge master suite offers tremendous Mount Hood and Cascade views. Unwind in the spacious master bath, featuring quartz counters, a modern tub, and no reason for draperies. This home of nearly 3,500 square feet has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Plus a perfect space for movie or game night. Create memories during evening stargazing on the patios or enjoy fireside campouts. The 86 by 120-foot barn and shop includes an at-home business area, tack rooms, a wash rack, run-in shed, hay storage, a 4-stall barn, and much more. The elevated slight slope is perfect for the equestrian lover, providing natural runoff to protect your pastures for the livestock. An exceptional farm, equestrian property, and an at-home business opportunity. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or your personal tour, please contact Erin Warren with Premier Property Group at 503-319-0490.